Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to use that Hyatt Friends and Family discount. The Friends and Family discount is usually offered to employees of Hyatt or its affiliates. You will need to have a family member or friend who works for Hyatt to authorize and provide you with a Friends and Family discount code. Go to the official Hyatt website. Enter the location where you want to stay and the dates of your stay. This will show you a list of available hotels and room options. During the booking process, you will come across an option to choose your rate or rate preferences. Look for a section labeled special rates or something similar. In the special rates section, there should be an option to enter a discount or offer code. Enter the Friends and Family discount code provided to you by the Hyatt employee. After entering the code, the website will update you to show the available rooms and discounted rate applicable with the Friends and Family discount. Once you have selected your room and confirmed the discounted rate, proceed with the booking process. You may be required to enter your payment information and provide any necessary personal details. After completing the booking, you will receive a confirmation email with your reservation details. Make sure to bring this confirmation with you when you check in at the Hyatt Hotel. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.